My name's Nicole Gordon. I'm a hypnotherapist. Before I did Scott's course, I was really struggling in my practice. I was having difficulty with clients when I'd thrown all of my tools at them and they still weren't getting any results. And I was getting stuck in sessions because I was trying to solve the client's problems. I was giving my clients advice, which was just being negated. They weren't taking that on, and I was feeling a lot of resistance coming up with my clients. After Scott's course, however, Scott taught me that I don't have to solve the client's problems. I don't have to do hours of preparation before each session. I can fix any problem because it's the same principles you apply to every problem. And I'm not doing hours of prep work. And just that pressure is taken off because I don't have to solve the client's problems. I know exactly what to say in sessions, and all of my sessions have been going amazing, getting fantastic results, even with clients that have been really tough in the past. I'm now getting amazing results with them in just one session. So thank you so much, Scott.